Okay. Well, I'm sorry guys, but you missed a whole lot. That's because my data was out. But now I got more. Yay! So, now, pretty light. Aww, pretty light. Whoa! Whoa! Okay, you guys can rewind and play that back. When, and I bet you can't even see my face. That's better, right? Okay. Oh my God.
I jokingly would make comments about like,
hey, don't kill us!
Yeah.
Hey, Daddy. Daddy, are you making sure not to kill us? What the? Pretty! Pretty lights! Whoa!
Your marriage. Oh, I did it again. We're done. We're just
Ooh, what's that one?
of the line of fire.
What's that one?
This one is called Sparkling Glory. I think this is boring.
Can I light it?
Yeah.
Yay!
I'll put it on the ground. Yep.
Okay. Okay, you guys probably cannot see my face. Okay, but that does not matter. Because I'm at the light. Me, something. No. Okay. Now, where's the fuse? Okay, there it is. Okay. Woohoo! Sparkles! It's so sparkly! It hurts my eyes! Don't blow us up!
Hey, you jackass! How do you like it so fast?
Woo! Pretty lights! Woo! Popping! Pop, pop, pop!
I think that's the
I'll do the roll call for you. Oh, and it's over.
Boo! Boo!
I would make a really bad
That's right,
comment,
we're talking.
but I don't want to offend you.
One more. Ah!
And of course, like everybody, I don't know if you ever remember this tree.
What is wrong with you?
There was a dog. You know how there's always
Oh my freaking God! Stop! What is wrong with you?
her little friends, and she smelled like well, their first song was
Jonathan!
He tried to bite it.
sweet and is sweet too.
I was gonna laugh at it. Thinking,
Jonathan, quick!
I had a friend that,
pretty sparkles.
not a friend, but one of the guys that always tended to pick on me that would make little wives
Noisy little suckers.
songs that sing different words.
Okay. Well, guys. Okay. Yeah. So, yeah, you guys. Yeah, I'm sorry, guys, but you missed the part where my dad and Jonathan nearly killed us. They almost killed us all. What?
I don't use fireworks like small.
Okay, Daddy, can I light one? Another one?
Hey, I should take my shoes off in case I gotta run.
Dad, can I light that one? Daddy, Daddy,
I run better without
Daddy, can I light that one? Dad, can I light
I
it?
can't even see it.
No, I want to light it.
I'm anemic, so they don't want to have anything to do with me. But they'll eat the shit out of me.
They tear me up.
Yeah, they'll tear him up, they'll tear the boys up, but they won't come near me.
Boom! What now?
Aaron used to be so pissed because when we were stationed in Nebraska, they had tiger mosquitoes, and they bit him through his BDUs. Like, he would keep his sleeves down on purpose, and they would bite him through his freaking sleeves. He would come home with bite marks all over.
Ow.
Stop playing with that!
You spit on my own water bottle.
Exactly! Because you're playing with fire, don't play
Ow.
with fire! your vision when you've had drinks. Sorry, I'm gonna lie about you. I thought it was John.
Go and get me mine. Hey, go and get me the water bottle. Go and get me the.
whole thing of like.
Where's the water bottle?
No.
Where's the water bottle?
Yeah, no. Not from
Does not work.
Woo! Pretty sparkles.
I should have went with this.